Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start maths for class 10. So, our today's topic is quadratic equations in one value. Okay? This is our topic. So, in this equation, first we are going to take one algebraic expression or expression ax square plus bx plus c. Suppose is a one kind of expression or algebraic expression. So here coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b, right? So if we are going to calculate degree of x, so here x contain power 2, here x contain power 1. So degree of x equals to 2, right? And it is a one kind of expression. But in quadratic equation, we are using this equation and find the value of x. So there is a one kind of formula when we are going to find value of x. This is x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the equation. By using this equation, we are going to find value of x. Minus b plus minus plus and minus sign is 1 root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, that means a means coefficient of x square and b means coefficient of x. Okay, so main formula. So today we are going to discuss only one part. This is nature of roots. Okay, in quadratic equation contain two roots. So today we are going to discuss only nature of roots. Okay, nature of roots. This is our topic. Okay, so when we are going to find nature of roots, there are different types of conditions are given. So topic nature of roots. Okay. Now condition number 1 or case A, number 1. In this equation, suppose in this equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. On that time, when we are going to find value of x, we are representing this one minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. In this form, right? Look at here. Only this part. B square minus 4ac. Only this one. B square minus 4ac. Only this one. This part is called discriminant. This is called discriminant. Okay. It is noted by D. Discriminant denoted by D. Okay, so you can write D equals to B square minus 4ac. Okay, D equals to B square minus 4ac. So discriminant means B square minus 4ac. B square is the coefficient of x, 4 as it is, a coefficient of x square and c constant term. Okay, now there is a few conditions when going to discuss about nature of roots. There are total 3 conditions. So first I am going to discuss about condition number 1. If b square minus 4ac value of b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Is greater sign greater than 0, or we can say d greater than 0. Same meaning, because b square minus 4ac means discriminant. So d greater than 0. Okay. On that time, nature of roots is real and distinct. Nature of roots real and distinct. Okay, distinct. Okay, distinct means different. Distinct means different. They are not equal. Real and distinct. Okay. Condition number 2. If b square minus 4ac equals to 0. b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Okay. That means d equals to 0. So this is the meaning of b square minus 4ac. So d equals to 0. Okay. On that time, nature of roots is real and equal. So nature of roots real and equal. Okay. This is condition number 2. When d equals to 0, on that time nature of roots real and equal. Okay. Now third condition. Condition number 3. Okay. Third one. If b square minus 4ac less than 0. This one greater than 0. This one less than 0. Okay. So that means d less than 0. So in third condition, the roots are not real. Here roots are not real. Okay. So nature of roots. Roots are not real. Okay. And first condition, when b square minus 4ac greater than 0, that means d greater than 0. D greater than 0. On that time, nature of roots real and distinct. That means different. Condition number 2, b square minus 4ac equals to 0. That means d equals to 0. On that time, roots are real and equal. In third condition, when b square minus 4ac less than 0, that means d less than 0. That time roots are not real. Okay. These are the nature of roots. Understood? Okay. When we are going to compare this equation with this ax square plus bx plus c. So look at here. Coefficient of x square 8 and here coefficient of x square 2. So a equals to 2, b equals to 3 and c equals to t. Right? Then we are going to compare this two equation by getting this value a2, b3, c2. Okay. Now b equals to b square minus 4ac. So value of b 3 square minus 4, a means 2 and c p. That's why 9, 4 2s are 8. So 9 minus 8. Okay. So value of b 9 minus 8. Right. But look at here. Statement is given. Given equation has real roots. Only real roots. So real roots is possible only for those cases when d equals to 0 and d greater than 0. Those cases we can say nature of the roots real, right? So for that reason, we are going to put here 9 minus 8t is the value of d and statement is given, equation has real roots. So real roots are possible under two conditions, either when d greater than 0 or d equals to 0 on these cases. So here we are going to put like this, d 9 minus 8p, right? It's indicate greater than 0. 9 minus 8p greater than 0, that means like 9 minus 8p is the value of d, so 9 minus 8p greater than 0, right? Because we know that greater than 0 possible under two conditions, when value of d greater than 0 and d equal to 0. So these two conditions is always roots are real. That's why we are going to put greater sign, this one greater, and one more sign, this is called greater equal. Okay, so here we are going to fulfill two conditions, one is greater, another one equal. Okay, that's why we are giving here this kind of symbol, this is called greater equal sign. Okay, so we are going to find value of p. 9 greater than equal 8p, so 9 by 8 equal 8. Okay, this is our answer. In this way we are going to find this kind of sums. Okay, understood? Okay students, I hope you have understood what I have taught you. Try to solve your exercise question, and if you have any doubt, then contact us. Okay, thank you. Okay, so example number 4, find the value of p for which the given equation has real roots. Equation is given 2x square plus 3x plus p equals to 0. This is our equation, and condition is given, equation has real roots. Okay, so first we are going to compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c. So this is our original equation. Now we are going to compare this equation with comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We are going to compare this equation with x square plus bx plus c. Okay, now come to sum number 1. So, the first question, find the nature of the roots. Question number 1. Find the nature of the roots. Nature of the roots. Okay? And equation is given 3x square minus 4 root 3 x plus 4 equals to 0. This is our equation which is given, and question is find the nature of the roots. Okay, so in quadratic equation always we are going to compare this equation with this equation ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so if any of the equation is given, always we are going to compare that equation with this equation. Okay. So look at here. X square is also x square. X and C means here 4. Okay. So if we are going to compare this equation with this equation, here coefficient of x square a, here coefficient of x square is 3. So we can write here, therefore a equals to 3. It is here a and this one 3. So here a indicates 3 indicates a. B equals to this one. B is a coefficient of x. Here coefficient of x minus 4 root 3. Right? And C equals to 4. Okay? When we are going to compare this equation with this, we are getting value of A, B and C. Okay? A equals to 3, B equals to minus 4 root 3, C equals to 4. Clear? So, here we are going to find nature of roots. So, first part, we are going to find discriminant. Discriminant D equals to B square minus 4AC. Value of B minus 4 root 3. So in place of B, I am going to put this value minus 4 root 3 square minus 4, value of A 3, C 4. Okay. As you know that square of minus is plus. So square of 4 root 3, 4 square 16, like this. If we are going to find square of 4 root 3, that means square of 4 16 into and square of root 3 3, that means 48. Okay. So in place of 4 root 3 whole square, 48. Now this one also 4 plus 16, this one 48 also. 16 3s are 48. So 48 minus 48 equals to 0. Okay. So we are getting value of D equals to 0. So when the value of D or discriminant equals to 0, when the value of D or discriminant equals to 0, on that time we can say roots are real and equal. Okay. So nature of roots, value of D equals to 0, therefore roots are real and equal. Okay. Okay. Is our answer. So in this way we are going to find nature of roots. It is real or not, it is equal or not. Okay. Here we are getting value of D equals to 0, that means discriminant equals to 0. So nature of roots real and equal. Clear? Now come to another example. Find the discriminant. Find the discriminant. Okay. And equation is given 3x square minus 5x minus 2 equals to 0. This is our equation. Find the discriminant, that means D. Okay. Equation is given 3x square minus 5x minus 2 equals to 0. So here we are going to find D. So first of all, we are going to compare this equation with this equation, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So when we are going to compare this two equation, so value of a equals to 3 A equals to 3, B equals to minus 5, and C equals to minus 2. C equals to minus 2. Okay? A equals to 3, B minus 5, and C equals to minus 2. Now, we are going to find discriminant. That means D. As we know that D equals to B square minus 4AC. So, B minus 5, that means minus 5 square minus 4, A equals to 3, and C minus 2. Okay? Square of minus 5, 25, minus minus plus 12, 24. That means 49. So value of D equals to 49. Okay? So here, if we are going to find only discriminant, that time D equals to 49. But if there is another part is mentioned, find the nature of the root also. So on that time, we are going to find the nature. So when we are going to find nature of the roots, always first it will be B square minus 4AC, as you know that. So condition number 1, B square minus 4AC when greater than 0. On that time roots are what? Roots are real and distinct, right? So here value of D equals to 49. That means value of D greater than 0. Greater than 0. So nature of roots is real and distinct. Okay? Now come to another example. Example number 3. Third example. Find the value of P. Value of P for which the given equation has real and equal roots. Okay, so the important part, given equation has real and equal roots, and equation is px square minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0 is the equation, and statement is given equation has real and equal roots. Okay, so real and equal roots. First I am going to write here equation px square minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. Then we are going to compare this equation with this one, x square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay, so when we are going to compare this equation with this, value of a equals to p, b equals to minus 4, and c equals to 3, right? A equals to p, b equals to minus 4, and c equals to 3. Okay, so first we are going to find value of d, b square minus 4ac. So minus 4 whole square minus 4 into p This one 16, 3 4s are 12, 16 minus 12. Okay, so D equals to 16 minus 12, right? Now look at here. Here it is mentioned equation has real and equal roots. Real and equal roots means when statement is given real and equal roots, on that time, as you know that when value of D equals to 0, that means B square minus 4AC equals to 0. On that time, roots are real and equal, right? So, in place of D, now we are going to put 0. 16 minus 12p, okay? Because already it is given, equation has real and equal roots. For that reason, I am putting here 0, okay? So, now as when 12p equals to 16, so p equals to 16 by 12, they cancel out, 4, 3, therefore p equals to 4 by 3. Understood? This is our answer. In this way, we are going to find value of p. Clear? Okay. Now come to another example. Next question. Find the value. Find the value